With almost 29 years of criminal litigation in our courts as an assistant prosecutor, city attorney, and defense counsel, I find myself running for Oakland County Prosecutor for you, your business, your homes, your families, and your loved ones. I am Lin Goetz, candidate for Oakland County Prosecutor, and today I am fighting for your safety. And it is a real war for our values as law-abiding citizens. The differences between my opponent and I could not be more stark. I support cash bonds where appropriate. My opponent does not. Cash bonds are one tool to ensure a defendant returns to court and to protect the public. Refusing to fight for cash bonds puts our community in danger. Look what happened in New York. There, instead of cash bonds, they put defendants on tethers, which defendants cut and continue to commit crimes. I support good law enforcement. As the chief law enforcement officer for Oakland County, I will issue appropriate charges based upon good arrest for criminal activity, and everyone will be treated fairly. My opponent has already indicated that she will reduce charges she does not think should be criminal or that would cause possible deportation. We do not need a Portland prosecutor here who won't issue charges. I will fight hard for victims, especially those in domestic violence situations, seniors, and kids. When I was 7, my father sat me on his lap, pointed a gun at my mother, and said if I didn't tell her I didn't love her, he would kill her. I was only 7. To this day, my mom is my hero and inspires me every day. So are the law enforcement officers that gave her the courage and resources to get us out of that situation. They protected us. This year, over half of our homicide cases involve a domestic relations issue. This is unacceptable. We must do better. Finally, I support prosecuting drug cases. My opponent does not. 29 years of experience in criminal law has shown me that in almost all first-time drug cases, defendants have already stolen from their families, friends, neighbors, or committed other unreported crimes. Worse, if we don't take these initial encounters with the law seriously, the next case may involve guns, armed encounters, injuries, overdoses, or death. In order to get a defendant clean enough to seriously consider treatment, charges are needed. Further, I support drug treatment and other treatment courts which save lives, as we have always done. Only when a defendant succeeds in treatment courts would I consider the possible reduction of charges or sentencing arguments. These are only a few of the differences in this campaign. I am asking you to go to www.linforprosecutor.com. That's www.linforprosecutor.com. And for your vote on November 3rd, 2020. Our safety depends on it. Our businesses, our families, our homes depend on it. Thank you.